Good day all. Welcome to HNT's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explain how to apply for the B-SID. B-SID has been made mandatory for all the STCW courses and certifications from April 1st, 2023 by DG Shipping. So let us see how to apply for the B-SID. So the first step is to log into your Mozilla web browser and search for B-SID login. The very first link which you get in the search, click on it. Once you click on it, a window as shown in the video open up. Here you have to enter your Windows number and password of your e-governance to log in. Also you have to type a captcha which is shown. Once you have typed the captcha, you can click on the login icon and it will take you to this particular website. So here a set of instructions are given for the online SID application. Please do read carefully through these instructions before you apply for SID. Now, once you click on the apply for SID, the first instructions or first information what you get is your Windows and CDC details. So it is fetched from your e-governance. Please go through these details. If no corrections are there, click on the continue button. And the next one is your personal details. Again, it is fetched from the e-governance. So just verify if all the details are correct. If at all there is any corrections, you can click on this link. If you want to modify, please log in here. The procedure for changing the details I have explained in a previous video. The link of the same video is given in the description. You can go through that if you have any corrections. Otherwise, you can just go through all the details and click on the continue button. The next is the dispatch address. Once your B-SID is approved, the address to which it has to be couriered or sent, that address you have to type in here without any mistakes. So house number you have to give, the street, the village and post office, the district is being asked, the state or union territory, pin code, the phone number with STD code, and the judicial police station. These many details you have to enter and click on continue. The next one is the other details. It is asking some questions like, have you ever applied for SID before? Yes or no. Are you under debarred for applying? Yes or no for CDC and SID. Please state whether you possess these documents. Indian passport and Indian CDC is mandatory because these will be verified when you go for your biometrics to the MMD. Once you do this, click on continue, and the next one is declaration. Please read through this very carefully, and once you scroll down, you can see there is a small button, I agree to the declaration above. Select that and click the submit button. Now you have to make the payment for the SID. So click on the make payment link and you will get a note as shown in the video. Please read carefully through this note and then click on OK button which is given over there. So now you have to select what type of payment, fresh appointment, make payment, and you will be taken to the payment portal. Choose your desired type of payment, and once you have made your payment, you get a success message like this as shown here. And once this is done, now you can go for schedule appointment. You can schedule your appointment with any of the 9 MMD centers. That is going to be a fresh appointment. Now once you click on the fresh appointment, you get to choose the 9 MMDs in India. Any one of your choice, you can choose it here, and then you can also select the time slot and the date on which you will be able to visit the MMD. So under one payment, you can change up to 3 dates. If you're not available on the first date, you have a privilege to change the date of your appointment to 2 more other dates. So carefully select your date and then you will get an acknowledgement. When you select the print acknowledgement, you get this option. You have to take a print of this acknowledgement and then proceed to the MMD on your particular date. At the MMD, they will be verifying your documents, particularly your passport and CDC, and they will be taking your photographs for the biometrics. Once they verify it, your B-SID will be approved and it will be issued within 2 working days. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video interesting, please do like and subscribe to HINT's YouTube channel. Thank you.